learning more this morning about the gap in health care coverage in Alabama, which affects thousands of people and leaves a lot of them without insurance.
Officials with the Alabama Hospital Association say this is caused by the state's health care program, which has not been expanded. News 19's Carmen Fuentes joins us now with more on the call to expand Medicaid coverage and how officials are working to close that gap. Carmen.
Yeah, Kelly, Steve, there is an estimated 300,000 working Alabamians that do not have health insurance. This, according to the Alabama Hospital Association, which says it's because they make too much to qualify for Medicaid or they make too little to be able to afford private insurance. Alabama is one of 10 states that has not expanded Medicaid to adults without children or disabilities. Currently, parents or caregivers in the state without children or disabilities must make less than $4,000 annually to qualify for Medicaid. Debbie Smith with Alabama Arise says there are a number of benefits the state would see if it were to expand Medicaid.
The federal government is going to give us more funding in order to run that program. It's also going to create jobs, about 20,000 new jobs in the state, and save us billions of dollars. And of course, increase that workforce participation rate.
Smith believes by investing in Alabama's health care, this would pay off in the long run. Dr. Don Williamson with the Alabama Hospital Association says they've been tasked with designing a plan to close the gap. And that plan will focus on the specific situations that the state of Alabama and its citizens are facing.
What we're looking for is an Alabama solution to an Alabama problem. And doing that using unique circumstances in Alabama that let us take advantage of coverage that we already have in the private sector, in the public sector, and bring those together.
While Alabamians do continue to wait for Medicaid expansion, we do have a list of healthcare resources for you in this story on our website. That's WHNT.com.